Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to change currency on your AliExpress app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing to do is make sure AliExpress is downloaded on your phone. After making sure that, now launch the app. After launching the app, now tap on your account icon, which is on the bottom right corner right here. After tapping on the account, here you can see the option of settings on the top right corner right here. Tap on it. And then you can see the option of currency right here. Simply tap on it in order to change it. And now here you can see there is the option of Euro, British Pound and US dollar. Right now, my currency is in British Pound. In order to change it, simply just tap on whichever currency that you want. I'm going to tap on US dollar. And just like this, you have changed your currency on AliExpress successfully. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.